Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can solve the issue of collaboration on Instagram. So first of all, open your Instagram account. So the main problem with collaborations occurs when we want to accept a collaboration for a reel, and usually we try to accept a collaboration from our messages, which is not a right way to accept collaboration. So accept collaboration by going into your notification bar, and you will see a notification of collaboration in your notifications. Just click on it and you will see an option of review. So click on that review option and you will be able to collaborate. And if you don't see the option of collaboration in your notifications, then all you have to do is just go to settings of your phone and search for app settings. Then click on manage apps, and here search for Instagram. Then click on it, then click on storage, and then clear your cache memory and user data. If removing cache memory is not working out, then you can also go for user data removal, and that's how it will be able to show on your Instagram's notification. And after that you will be able to collaborate, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.